Referee Tatiana Williston said that we're going to stop now, boys, and this is because of this national emergency alert test. So the boys are leaving the arena. So I think on the other table the players have remained seated. I don't know what's going on. Everyone's mobile phone's going to get a national emergency alert test.
What a time for it to happen as well, Dennis. Look at that free ball. He's got the green, but what a mistake. There we are.
There's everybody's mobile phones making that alert sound. I don't know, it'll last for probably, oh, it's gone off again. Is that it? What's happening? Yeah, some of the people adjusting their earpieces, they think it's something to do with that, but it is. They just said, do not switch your phones back on until this is over. Was the tournament director, Mike Ganley, announced to the crowd there. That's the tournament director, Mike Ganley, and a lot of you people watching will remember his father, the great referee Len Ganley. So this may go on for about a minute or a minute and a half, I think. I'm not sure how long this will last for, Ken.
Yeah.
Technology's a great thing, isn't it? But its timing isn't very good here.
Did they not know there was a snooker tournament on?
And the players are back at the table. And let's see. There's still lots of alerts going off on people's phones.
Oh, it's a little bit.
That's Mr. Doherty's phone. Anyway.
Okay.
Right, back to the serious stuff.
Yeah, take your time here, Jack.
Yep.
It's important.
But yeah, that last shot that Anthony played where he missed the red completely was very unlike him. He wanted a very thin snick to try and get in behind the brown and yellow. We're back to normal again.
So we finished with free ball. Okay.
Free ball.
Green
So
ball.
Nominate the green. She needs red colour. And red. Oh, needs to slow up this cue ball.
One.
Yeah, he's just gone too far and he needs one more red after this black.